Sorry for the inconvenience.
No problem.
Yes. Yes.
Lordship, items 6, 7, and 9. These three items may be clubbed together. Item 6 and 7 are with regard to the anticipatory appeal application, and item 9 to have filed an application for quashing the criminal complaint, sorry.
Yes.
So once item 9 is decided, and the 6 and 7 will be automatically covered. So these three items will be clubbed together. And I would pray that the matter may be listed on Tuesday, next Tuesday, that is 21st.
Okay.
Of course, subject to the convenience of the Honorable Court.
Okay. Lanet. Mr. C.T. Jamir, Lanet Senior Counsel. Mr. Jamir submits, then Senior Counsel submits that item number 6, 7,
and 9.
and 9 are they're related.
Yes.
Connected matter.
Connected.
Okay. So we'll need we'll have to mention the number also. Item number 6, AB 26, 2023. 7, AB 27, 2023. And Criminal Revision 5, 2023 are connected matters, and all are connected matter, and therefore the same these matter may be clubbed together and list and praise for listing this matter on 21st.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, start.
And the meantime interim may be continued.
Okay. Okay. Dana PP, Dana PP, Mr. Angami is also present, who has
No objection.
Raised no objection to the prayer made by the Lanet Senior Counsel staff. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List these all three matters together on 21st.
Lordship.
Okay.
And the interim orders passed
In the meantime, the interim order passed earlier shall be continued. Okay.
May please, Your Lordship.
Yes, please.
I would like to mention item number 17 and 18. We have agreed to post the matter in the fourth week of January.
Okay.
Last part of January.
Okay.
2024.
Okay. Okay. Mr. R. Iralu, Lanet Senior Advocate, appearing Senior Advocate
For the appellants.
for the advocate for the appellant, who prays for listing the matter in the last week of the January.
I have no question, madam. I'm for respondent.
Stop. Lanet Advocate, Mr.
N.K. Lucam.
N.K. Lucam is also present on behalf of Lucam, Lanet Counsel for the respondent is also present, and he has no objection to the prayer made by the Lanet Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List the matter in the fourth week of in the last week of the January. Okay.
2024.
2024. Okay. List this matter on 24.
No. 2024. Next year.
Yes,
January.
Okay, 2024. Okay, 2024. Okay. Last week of January 2024. Okay.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My small lordship, I beg to mention item number 14 and 15 for
Yes.
hearing. Since the counsel for the petitioner is indisposed, I'd like to mention, please fix the matter next month after 3.
Okay.
My lord, I'm appearing for NIA in this case.
Okay.
My lord, I'll request if the matter is fixed on 31st, because 29th
is it
I'm
okay?
traveling here.
Lordship, I'm not in this matter, but since the consul Siddharth Borhagen is in personal matters, so he wants it to fix after day 3 next
After-
month. After
after?
3 next month.
After 3 next month, 4th.
My lord, it will be little difficult for me to travel.
Okay, when
Or-
would
or
be
we can-
convenient for you?
My lord, if it's fixed on 4th, then also it's fine because.
Okay,
Okay.
the 4th is Monday, I think,
Okay, okay.
4th December.
Okay, Lordship.
Okay,
My lord, one more small prayer I have. The petitioner has been taking continuous adjournment in these cases, and this case is pending since 2018. So, if my lord allows, then that may it be fixed for as a last chance, because they have been taking
4th.
continuous adjournment.
Just a minute. This is what is this matter about? IA and the.
My lord,
Fixed.
item number 15, they have filed, they have challenged, writ petition, they have challenged the MHA order. And then item number 14, we have filed IA for vacating the interim stay which has been allowed in their prayer.
Okay.
So because of that, my lord.
It's fine,
our
Leonard,
case is
Leonard,
held up.
the council is also not present today.
My lord,
Okay, Leonard advocate,
Yakasumi.
appearing on behalf of the land council for the petitioner, prays for adjournment. No, we'll just say, land council, Mr. So-and-so appears on behalf of Mr.
S. Borhagen.
Land council for the petitioner, stop. Land PP, NIA, Mr.
Devashish Tandon.
is also present. Stop.
I'm for central government.
Okay, also Mr. Central Government Council is also present, stop, on the prayer of the parties, list this matter on 4th December for hearing. That will be final.
Much obliged.
Grateful.
Yes,
My lord, please allow me to mention item number 4. I have instruction to withdraw the bail application since the petitioner have engaged a new lawyer. Item
you
4,
want to withdraw?
withdraw the bail application.
Withdraw the bail application itself.
Yes, my lord.
You want to withdraw the bail application itself.
Yes, my lord.
You are,
Pakin Rizabo, my lord.
Mr. Pakan Richibo, land counsel for the petitioner wants to withdraw this bail application.
Yes, my
Liberty, also asking for liberty,
lord. What's this liberty, my lord?
with liberty to file FRS if so advised, stop. In view of the above, this bail application stands closed. They dismiss on withdrawn with liberty is prayed for. Okay,
Okay, my lord. Hello, bye.
Yes.
Your Lordship,
yes,
my lord, I beg to mention item number 12. Let this matter come up on the 21st.
okay.
I've taken the concern of the opposite party also. Tuesday.
Learned counsel, Mr.
Elvin Zhao,
Vijay,
Yeah.
you are for the
I'm for a petitioner.
petitioner.
Yeah.
Who obtained consent from the opposite party, prays for listing the matter on
21st,
21st.
Tuesday.
21st is November.
Yes.
Okay. Stop, prayer is allowed. List this matter on 21st
Obliged.
for orders. Okay.
Yeah, release your lordship.
Yes,
My lord, I beg to mention item number 8. That's a contempt matter.
okay.
My lord, I am just I beg on behalf of my learned colleague LT Santam, additional AG. So recently, your lordship here, there are so many respondent has been implicated. And they have received only recently the copy. So we are praying for 3 weeks' time. So as to enable us to file the affidavit.
You are on behalf of
LT Santam, additional AG.
additional.
For
Okay,
respondent,
Mr. So-and-so, appearing on behalf of Mr.
LT Santam, additional AG.
Additional AG,
Yes, sir.
praise for.
Oh,
he's
yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Ah,
He was stuck in the traffic, that's why.
Okay, okay, Mr. So-and-so. You have any objection? No, okay. How much time you pray, did you pray for?
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time. Praise for listing this matter after 3 weeks, to which the Land Council for the petitioner, Miss,
I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Sir Takamas.
Miss So-and-so, appearing on behalf of the petitioner has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed, list this matter after 3 weeks.
Much.
Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 3 on behalf of V. Devnath.
okay,
He is out of station for medical emergency. So can you list the matter after 3 weeks?
and for the other side,
I'm for the respondent number 3, owner of the draft.
okay,
Your Lordship, I'm for respondent 1 and 2, claimant respondent.
okay. Miss, appearing on behalf of the Land Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. V. Devnath, Land Council for the applicant, prays for
3 weeks.
3 weeks' time, as Mr. Devnath is out of station. To which the Land Council for the respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2, Miss So-and-so, and Miss
Respondent number 3.
So-and-so for respondent number 3 and 4 has no objection, stop. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed, list this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 5, Your Lordship. Lordship, I pray that this matter may come up on December 4, Your Lordship.
You are for the petitioner,
Yes, Lordship.
okay,
Lordship, I am for the respondent number 2.
okay,
I have already filed my affidavit in opposition. I have served the copy now.
okay. Land Council, Advocate Mr.
Medovero.
Medovero. Mr. Medovero, Land Council for the petitioner, prays for
Lordship, a fixed date, Your Lordship, December 4.
fixing the matter.
For this.
You also agree with that?
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Okay. Both the Land Council for the petitioner, Mr. Medovero, and for the Mr.
Sharif Ahmed,
Saib Ahmed, for the respondent number 2,
yes.
and who is
State respondent.
respondent, sorry. Okay, leave the board, huh? then?
Lordship, kindly record my.
Okay, okay. And PP Mr. Angami are present. As prayed for by the parties. List this matter on 4th.
Yes.
Land Council for the respondent number 2 submitted he has filed affidavit in opposition,
Yes.
and
served copies.
a copy also have been served to the Land Council for the petitioner who acknowledged the receipt.
Yes.
Okay. So list this matter accordingly, comma, list this matter on 4th. Okay, 4th December.
Yes, yes.
4th December. Okay,
And prayer, Lordship. Lordship, here, the leading counsel is Nurul Hassan, Your Lordship, who is from Gauhati, Your Lordship. His name is not being reflected in the cause list.
okay,
So I
stop.
reckon his name will be reflected.
Main counsel, leading counsel is Nurul Hassan.
Nurul Hassan, yes, Lordship.
Okay. Land Council for Mr. Medovero further submits that the main counsel here in the instant case is Mr. Nurul Hassan,
Nurul Hassan,
and his name has not been reflected in the
cause list.
Cause list.
in the cause list, stop, huh? And praise for reflecting his name, stop. The registry shall take steps for reflecting the name of Mr. Nurul Hassan on the column of the petitioner. Yes,
Yes, Lordship.
advocate. Okay, okay.
Okay. Obliged, my lord.
Leave, Lord.
On the petitioner column, huh? Column of the petitioner. Yes.
I have this, your lordship. I would like to mention item number 16 on behalf of M. Solo. Kindly list this matter after 2 weeks.
Okay, so who is for the, you are for respondent,
Respondent number 2 and 3.
2 and 3, and who is
I'm
for
appearing on behalf of Taliao, who is the counsel for the appellant, your lordship.
appellant? Okay. Mr. Nurul Hassan,
No, not Nurul Hassan, Taliao.
Talia, you are,
Medofer, your lordship, appearing on behalf of
oh, sorry,
counsel for the appellant.
okay, Mr. Medofero appear on behalf of
Taliao.
Mr. Talihao, learned counsel for the appellant,
Yes.
and Miss
Shisa Jamir. On
appear
behalf of M. Solo.
on behalf of
M.
M.
Solo,
Solo, learned counsel for the respondent number
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Stop. On the prayer of both the learned counsels for the appearing learned counsels for the parties, list this matter
After 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks.
Okay. Obliged.
Pleasure.
My lord, item number 11,
Yes.
triple petition number 31 of 2020. It may be posted for hearing on 28th next month, next week.
Okay. You are for?
I'm for the petitioner.
Okay, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Musumi. Praise for listing the matter after
3 days, that there is 28th next
Hmm?
week.
next week.
Next week, yeah.
Okay, listing the matter next week, to which the learned PP, Mr. Ngami.
Lordship, on 21.
21.
Because there's already one fixed matter in court one on 20, lordship.
Okay, then
21.
21, no?
Lordship.
Okay, 21. To which the learned PP, Mr. Angami has no objection. Stop, list the matter on 21. Okay. Yes,
I have this, your lordship.
yes,
I beg to mention item number 2, your lordship.
12,
2, lordship.
2.
Yes, admission item number 2.
Okay,
Your lordship, here, the state respondents, they have complied this honorable court order dated 17/9/2019, your lordship. So I pray that the matter may be closed off, your lordship, since the matter is under consideration.
matter be closed.
Yes, lordship.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, lordship.
They have taken steps or
Yes,
complied.
as per the affidavit filed by the state respondents,
Hmm.
they have forwarded the name to the Department for Regularization, lordship. So the matter is in consideration for the regulation of my service. So
Okay.
since they are complying, I
Okay,
pray that the matter may be.
learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
Subhamati.
Supamti Walling submits that the matter. Yes, can you just the submits that the state respondent has taken steps or complying, has complied.
The matter is under consideration, your
Oh.
lordship. Yes.
Your lordship, is complied this honorable court order 17/9/2019.
Okay,
That is
has
also by so.
state has complied. The
Yes.
order date is 79/20/2019.
17/9/2019. Yes.
Pass
Hmm.
in WPC.
Passed in WBC
Passed in WPC
146 of 2019.
146 of 2019, and as such, he has no further grievances, or what?
As such, the matter is in consideration, so
And since the matter is under consideration, he is not pressing.
yes, lordship.
He is no longer pressing this contempt petition, and wants to withdraw.
Maybe close off. the
And prays for closing the matter. Stop. Done it. Had Miss
Yes.
so
For the sole respondent, sole
okay,
respondent.
appearing on behalf of the sole respondent. Start. In view of the above, this matter is closed.
Lordship.
In this contempt petition stands closed.
Okay.
Much okay. Close and disposed of. Okay. Okay.
For motion, item number 1.
May it please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the IA is filed on the strength of an order passing the main petition, that is the anticipated bail, Lordship. An order was passed granting anticipated bail to the present petitioner, Lordship.
Yes, yes.
Now, my prayers were quite limited to this extent that if I may be given a month's time to appear before the IO, Lordship, if a protection may be given, that is my limited prayer in this case, Lordship.
What is the status of the case now?
Status, Lordship, charge sheet is yet to be filed, Lordship.
You have never appeared.
Lordship, I have not appeared, and on the last occasion when the order was passed, Lordship, I was given a week's time to appear before the IO. Lordship, I have expressed my difficulty that I had some health issues. Now I'm ready to appear before the IO, but since—
But why you are not appearing?
Lordship,
earlier also granted it appears.
Earlier it was granted,
prior to the present case.
Lordship, yes, Lordship.
Yes,
earlier it was granted. I have expressed my medical conditions, Lordship. That is how 7 days time was granted, Lordship, despite of my prayer for seeking for 1 month's time, Lordship. Now I'm ready to appear. I'm in a better health condition, Lordship. But since there are 2 non-bailable warrant of arrest issued against me, Lordship. So if that is, and I have filed a criminal petition against that, Lordship, 2 non-bailable warrant of arrest, Lordship. So pending the—
You have filed criminal petition? Where?
Before this honorable court, Lordship.
Okay. Where earlier? Prior
Lordship,
to this?
It is yet to be taken up. It was filed yesterday, Lordship. It is yet to be taken up, Lordship.
That is different case.
Yes, Lordship, that is.
But why you are trying to avoid? You can't avoid.
Lordship, I have apprehension of arrest, Lordship.
That is why you are granted pre-arrest bail.
Yes, Lordship.
With certain condition.
Lordship, I had medical conditions, Lordship.
So what? Medical means if not admitted, not very serious, you're appearing before the police. No,
at the moment, I'm ready to appear, Lordship.
You have given ample time.
Yes,
earlier also.
I understand, Lordship.
So not only one day, not a specific day, but then you have given time. On any date, you could have appeared.
If an interim protection may be given, Lordship, I'm ready to appear.
You were given here.
Yes, Lordship. But that has expired, Lordship. And Lordship also knows very well about the settled position, Lordship.
Why unnecessary?
Honorable Apex Court in the case of Lordship Sushil Agarwal, Lordship. When an anticipated bail is disposed, Lordship, there should not be a limited period, Lordship. It has to be an absolute, Lordship. That has been settled, Lordship, by the Honorable Apex Court, Lordship. Despite of that, Lordship, only a limited period has been given, Lordship. If I may be allowed to take just 2 lines, Lordship.
Court considering the case, the case against you, and probably you were not supposed to be granted, but then the court granted
Lordship
on your prayer that you are sick person, and that is why some limited time has been given only on that ground.
Lordship.
Okay, yes, Lana PP.
Lordship, actually, my colleague is leading the case, who's on leave. So if my lord inclines to grant the prayer of the petition, I think proper hearing may be given to my colleague.
Proper hearing?
Yes.
But then you see, earlier it was already granted.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
Already granted. Only the thing is that he could not appear.
Okay.
But it is, of course, apparently it is clear that he is trying to avoid. He don't want to appear before the police. It appears he is apprehending something, although he has been protected by the interim anticipatory bail. But then I don't know, but he can't avoid.
Lordship, I'm ready to appear, but my limited prayer is if a protection may be given, Lordship. I'm ready to appear before the IO, Lordship.
Given protection earlier also.
Yes, Lordship, it has expired, Lordship. It has expired, Lordship. If your Lordship may kindly appreciate it.
Okay, heard Land Council for the petition of Mr.
Mohan Jamir, Lordship.
Mozamir and Lanet
Kiangami.
Okay, Angami. You will be recorded as a PP only.
Okay.
Okay, Lanet PP for the state. Stop. By an order dated 2023. The present applicant, what is his name?
Ajay Bahadur Singh, Lordship.
Was granted interim anticipatory bail. with the condition that he will he shall appear before the IO of the case in connection with the Dimapur Police PS case number 43/2023 within a period of 10 days from the date of this order, from the date of the said order, and to cooperate with the investigation officer, the IO of the case. Stop. With along with okay, just a minute. He was granted interim anticipated bail, just interim anticipated bail to release him, release him on a bail amount of rupees 40,000 with surety of a like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. With a further condition that he shall appear before the eye of the case. Just eye of the case within a period of 10 days from the date of the said order. Stop, The said order dated, the said bail order dated 24/8/2023 further made it clear that if the applicant accused failed to appear as directed in the said bail application, said bail order, the bail granted to the accused shall automatically stand cancelled. However, instead of appearing before the eye of the case, the petitioner again come before this court with by filing this application with a prayer that with a prayer for extension of the period of appearance for 1 month. Stop. The Lana PP submits that in the earlier occasion also, the applicant approached this court for granting anticipatory bail and in that case also the petitioner was granted interim anticipatory bail, directing him to appear before the IO of the case within 10 days from the date of the said order. However, the applicant, instead of appearing before the IO as directed by the court, filed the IA for extension of period of appearance on the ground that he was suffering from various ailment. Stop. Had both the land counsel for the petitioner as well as landed PP. Stop. From the record, it appears that the accused applicant is trying to avoid his appearance stroke arrest. In connection with the instant case, comma. But however, with the elapse of time, the operation of the criminal law would not die a natural death. Stop. To proceed with the criminal investigation of the case, comma, the appearance of the accused, comma, unless otherwise is a must. Is a must. Stop. Hence, the accused is necessary to appear before the IO of the case for recording his statement as required by the law. Stop. However, in view of the above, I am not inclined to grant further concession to, in view of the above, the petitioner does not deserve further consideration. However, considering the material on record and in view of the submission of the land counsel for the applicant that the accused applicant is suffering from various ailments, including cardiac problem, comma, this court is inclined to grant a privilege of, this court is inclined to extend the time for his appearance before the IO of the case. Stop. Accordingly, accused applicant Ajay Bahadur Singh is directed to appear before the IO of the case in connection with the Dimapur PS case number 43/2023. Within a period of 3 weeks, we'll say 3 weeks. Okay, not a specific day. Otherwise, he will again pay for 3 weeks.
Lord.
He is not here. He's out of station.
He is from Gauhati, Lordship. He's based in
No,
Gauhati.
not 3 weeks. It's 10 days only then.
Yes.
10 days.
15 days at least, Lordship.
Okay, 15 days
15 days.
from the date of, from today. Stop. On the same terms and condition as enumerated in the bail order, order dated
24/8, Lordship.
24/8/2023, with the further condition that what was the condition that? Please. Okay,
Lordship will find page 10, Lordship.
okay, so we'll reiterate and increase the bail amount. No, he has defied, okay. Stop, huh? On such appearance of the accused applicant, in the event of such appearance of the accused applicant, in connection with the Dimapur PS case number 43/2023, comma, the applicant shall be released on bail of rupees 50,000 with 2 surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, with further condition that he shall cooperate and appear before the eye of the case or in the court as and when called for. Stop, huh?
Lordship, sorry for indulgence. If it can be recorded as in the event of his arrest instead of appearance, Lordship, if I'm arrested.
Okay. Okay. Okay, in the event of, no, okay. On such appearance and in the event of his arrest.
Yes, Lordship.
So this time it will be cancelled only.
Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship.
It is further made it clear that if the applicant accused fails to appear as directed herein above, the bail granted to the accused shall automatically stand cancelled. Okay. Accordingly, this bail applications, this IA stands disposed of.
Lordship, if permit to seek your indulgence, if in my submission one more words submission can be added, that my vehement objection can be just recorded.
Okay, so
right after my
okay, in his submission, no. What was his submission? Okay, earlier occasion also, and hence we pray for, and hence, and further submits that in view of the above, the accused applicant is not entitled to be entitled for concession of the anticipatory bail.
And vehemently object the prayer of the
and vehemently object granting of AB anticipatory bail to the applicant. Okay.
May I please, my lordship, my apologies, regarding the item number 14 and 15, which I've mentioned earlier.
Yes.
The main counsel just called up and informed me that there's an interim order.
Okay. Item 14 and 15?
Yes, lordship.
In the meantime, 14 and 15, huh? The interim order passed earlier shall continue. Okay.
Much obliged.
Yes.
For orders, item number 10.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, please.
This is a matter of contempt regarding a court's order for compensation. On the last occasion, notices were issued what has happened in this matter was there was an order for compensation of 61 crores that was passed by this honorable division bench in the month of December 2022 itself. Till now, there has been no compliance. And today, my instructions are that you also will see the last order.
Yes.
Today, my instructions are that the central government, that is the Ministry of Road and Transport, they have given a sanction. But the court order, the judgment was a structured judgment. The sanction has to come first. Thereafter, the state department, the state government has to thereafter clear the amount. And finally, the amount will be dispersed to the deputy commissioner of the concerned district, where the money will be thereafter been distributed. Now, one part in my instructions I have received, one part has been complied. But regarding the state government, there has been an undue delay. I think my learned friend is appearing on the other side for the state. He will be able to clarify what is happening. But then the contempt still remains because the violation is still there. The payments have not received the public till now. Your Lordship will see at page 21, the judgment, the operative portion, that will be clear, then, Lordship. Page 21, the last paragraph, may I read?
Yes, please.
Admittedly, the damage caused to the land and properties have already been assessed by conducting a joint survey. And even the quantum of compensation amount to be paid has also been determined under the leadership of the supervision of the Deputy Commissioner concerned. As such, the state government shall make the first move by submitting a proposal along with the assessment made to the central government, the ministry concerned. And on receipt of the same, the latter shall initiate the process of allocation of the fund and release the same to the state government, who then shall disburse the same to the Deputy Commissioner of the district concerned to the genuine landowners whose land, properties, standing crops and trees, etc. have been damaged during the road construction. The entire process was supposed to be done in 6 months. Now, in this particular order, judgment, Lordship has seen there are two parts. First part is that the Union of India, the ministry has to sanction the money, and thereafter the state roles comes in. Lordship will see that.
Okay, just a minute. Huh?
Yes,
Whether
Lordship.
Service notice issued upon respondent number 1 to 3 by registered copy.
As a state, they are appearing.
State are appearing.
State is appearing. And against the Union of India, today I do not have any grievance because they have sanctioned the money.
Okay.
The first part of compliance has been done. So I cannot have anything against the Union of India today. But the second part is, and on receipt, if a Lordship will come to that line from below 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth line, page 21.
Page 21. Oh, yes.
Lordship will kindly come to page 21. Fifth line from below, and on receipt. Lordship has got that? Lordship has seen that line?
Yes.
And on receipt of the same, that is a sanction from the Union of India, the latter shall initiate the process of allocation of the fund release of the same to the state government, who shall disburse the same to the Deputy Commissioner of the district to the genuine landowners. This part, compliance, is yet to come. And I do not know why they are doing it. My instructions are that on 27th October itself, the Union of India has done their part. They have sanctioned the money.
This part is the state.
Lordship?
This part is to be
complied with.
Complied by the state.
By the state.
Respondent.
By the state through the Deputy Commissioner concerned. But the people are still being deprived of this money. The judgment was passed in December 2022.
Respondent number 2 and 3.
Yes, Lord. Respondent number 2 now. Respondent number 2.
Your grievance survived.
Grievance survives against respondent number 2, Lord.
2. Oh, but respondent number 2 has not yet filed any affidavit.
He is appearing, I think.
Okay. Yes, you have not yet filed any affidavit, compliance or not?
We have received the sanction from the
You
ministry.
have received the sanction?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
And
when it will be done?
When it will be done?
When it will be complied, fully
it is in the
complied?
process, Your Lordship.
Okay.
So I'm instructed to appear on behalf of the
They
state.
have already violated by 6 months. The process was supposed to complete within 6 months.
Whatever may be, but now they have
It is in the process,
initiated
Your
the
Lordship.
process.
So I may be given.
I have got nothing against them. They just need to comply. The money has to receive.
Comply.
To be given time for proper instruction, Your Lordship. I have been instructed to appear on behalf of the state responsible.
Strictly direct them to comply with the court's order.
Yes.
They cannot just violate the order just like that.
It is in the process, Your Lordship.
Okay. Hard Learned Counsel for.
I'm Mr. A. Sharma.
Hard Mr. A. Sharma.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. also heard.
LD Sangam, Your Worship.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent number 2 and 3.
To Your Worship.
Two, okay. Learned counsel for the respondent number 2 submits that the compliance of the order of the Honorable Court is under process.
Yes, Your Worship.
Which will take some more time.
3 weeks time.
Which will take,
so I may
3
be
weeks
granted
time.
3 weeks time.
3 weeks times. And prays for 3 weeks times to obtain
Yes, sir.
instruction.
Yes, Your Worship.
Obtain
Instructions on compliance.
instruction on compliance.
For instruction, Your Worship.
Instructions regarding the compliance. Nothing
Since
It will
for-
be instruction regarding the compliance.
Yes, Your
Okay,
Worship. Yes.
instruction regarding the compliance.
Yes,
Stuff,
ma'am.
as prayed for by the land council for the parties. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Also, will kindly give a date in this matter.
When?
Any date to your lordship's convenience.
When? No,
Because first thing is that, so if there is a date,
we'll fix on 7.
yes, any date to your lordship's
Okay.
convenience.
Okay, 7 or what? 11, 12, huh? 7, I think 7 will do. No date, no date. We'll fix.
But I am agreeable
Okay,
to any
okay.
date by your lordships.
Okay.
At
Okay,
least a
7,
date will be there, then they will
seven,
know they have to
7.
comply.
As prayed for by the land council for
Lord,
the
7.
party, fix this matter on 7
Of December.
December.
Oblige your lordship. I hope by that time they can comply with this.
For
Oblige.
orders, item number 13.
May I please, Your Worship?
Yes.
Your Worship,
Yes.
I'm making a mention on behalf of my senior Mr. Yamarwati. Here, Your Worship, we have filed this IA for condonation of delay, and the other IA is for stay of the order passed by the lower court.
Okay.
The problem was that the address we provided for respondent number 1,
Okay.
it has some, it was not proper. That's why we have filed an IA, and this court has allowed us to make necessary changes for in this one cost title, and we have done the necessary amendments.
You have done?
Yes, Your Worship.
Already corrected?
Yes.
Okay.
So I pray that we may be allowed to take fresh steps upon respondent number 1.
Okay. Land council, Mr.
Is that could
appearing on behalf of
Mr. Yamarwati,
Mr. Yangarwati,
learned citizens.
land council for the petitioner, appellant.
Yes.
Submits that they have
Necessary amendments.
they have already filed recast cost title.
Yes.
Recast cost title as per the direction of this court dated 5/10.
Yes.
2023, and praise for allowing the petitioner, appellant, to take fresh steps upon the respondent.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Yes.
Stop. Prayer allowed. The appellant shall take steps upon the respondent number 1 by a registered post with 80.
3 days.
Within 3 weeks. 3 days.
3 days.
Within 3 days. Stop. This is matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay.
Black.
Okay.